Welcome back guys. In this video we will hear how this exhaust sounds after 3 months of usage. I had ridden this bike extensively in varied conditions. I will give you an overview on how it sounds while idling, and I will let my cousin ride this bike to hear how it actually sounds to the third person view. So let's jump into the video. Well, let's fire up this beast to see how it roars. Hmm. ஸ்பீடா போ நல்லா. If you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe guys. Thank you.